In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a header only on the first page in Google Docs. This can be particularly useful when you're preparing documents that require a unique header on the first page, such as a cover page or title page, where subsequent pages either have a different header or no header at all. Let's begin. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your Google Docs interface, where you'll find the menu bar. Look for the Insert option and give it a click. This is your go-to place for adding various elements to your document, like images, tables, and of course, headers and footers. Once you've clicked on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. Next, hover over the option labeled Header and Footer. This will lead to another sub-menu popping out to the side. In this sub-menu, select Header. This action will open up a header section at the top of your current page, which will initially appear across all pages of your document. With the new header section in view at the top of your first page, you might notice a small checkbox labeled Different First Page. This option is crucial as it allows you to have a distinct header on just the first page. Go ahead and check this box. Once selected, the header you create will only appear on the first page, segregating it from the rest of your document. Now, in this first page header section, you can type whatever content you need, whether it's a title, date, or any specific note relevant only to the first page. This header is exclusively for your inaugural page. It's perfect for those times when you want to keep only essential information at the front of your document without it cluttering every page. As you continue with your document, you'll notice that for all pages beyond the first, the header section will remain blank, unless you choose to enter different content specifically for those pages. This flexibility allows you to manage each section of your document with precision and clarity. By following these steps, you can easily customize your Google Doc to have a professional look that suits your needs. It's a straightforward process, yet it adds a highly polished touch to your documents. Whether you're preparing a report, essay, or any other formal document, having this capability strengthens your presentation. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you take full advantage of Google Docs features for more effective document management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.